guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel today. Yeah, that was a ghost. That was a ghost. We in San Fran, that's a ghost. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. We are in San Francisco. I am here for some business. You guys didn't know I have a brand of Sephora, so we are here doing business things. Period. I'm here in my hotel. We haven't been with Sephora in so long, so I thought I would do a get ready with me. Tomorrow I'm gonna meet with them, but today I have a one size team dinner, so I just wanted to do a little bit of a light. I got my little lashes on. But yeah, I just want to show you my life. This is a quick tour. It's gonna be a get ready with me, but bear with me. I just want to share my life because life opens up. There's a ghost in the mirror. Oh my god, we have to hide the new product, Jose. Take her away. Ooh, there's more product here. Wait, we're not showing anything, right? Okay, this is my room. Oh, there's a ghost. There is the room. There's the room. Hold on, let me ask the ghost to record me. Welcome to my hotel. Hey, bug. This is my room. This is where all the guys are gonna come over tonight. Just kidding. We have a little bench here for time out. TV, AC. We have a little walkway closet. Come out. Hey, this is my channel. This is not no architectural digest. Relax with the angles. This is the bathroom. Beautiful mirror. Guys, I am obsessed with mirrors with lights like this because some hotels be having scraggly lighting and it's giving crunchy queen, okay? We want soft and supple. Shower. I can fit on the toilet. That's a good sign. Oof, you know. This is the glam room. Another door for the trade. Couch for the team. You know what's so funny? I like to rearrange my room. The lighting's better. I like to rearrange the room, so we moved the desk from that wall. We actually cut some cords to move the desk because it was zip tied to the wall. Why are you laughing? Here, come here. We don't draw. These little zip ties right here just to unplug her ass, to unplug the desk, because the desk was right here, okay? We moved it over here so I can get the best lighting possible. You see the lighting through the window, natural. I have my glam core and I have my little mirror right here. And then I have my stand. And then I'm gonna put you guys right here. And let's just jump right into the get ready with me. First, I need to shave these little scraggly hairs back here because it's giving cocina back here. It's not cute. Okay, so I shaved bald the ghost, Jose. Jose helped me and oh my gosh, it's been such a long time. And you know what, since I've lost weight, I feel like my head looks more slim, like this way. Lumify eye drops. Lumify eye drops. Lumify eye drops in the eyes. Let me switch to cinematic mode. I think we should film like this. Wow, I think it's giving professional. Oh wow, Lumify eye drops in the eyes. By the way, look at my nails. It's the first time in my life I haven't bit my nails. Love this color. Let me get a before shot. This is a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Swivel Stick. And I transferred one of my moisturizers. I don't know if it's Pond's or Face Gym moisturizer, but I got this little component from Amazon and you can literally put it in and it's an airless pump. You guys see? And all you have to do is just squeeze. Do you guys see that? And you do that. Do you guys like this type of component? Because I feel like it's less sanitary than like dipping your finger in like a jar. Let me know if you guys like that. I have the weirdest tan line from Disney and I just shaved, so I'm gonna moisturize my head and put my turban back on. I wanted to show you guys something. One second. I found it. I've been obsessed with this LED mask. They don't have this particular brand, but it has 7 different colors, lights, and everything. But I feel like my skin has looked more radiant, more plump because of the red light. It's very, very dangerous what it can do because the heat can really aggravate your skin, but you have to use it very seldomly. But I will link it down below. If you guys want an in-depth video on how to use this, let me know. I sit with it 30 minutes every night. My forehead's a little bit more sensitive, so I'll take it like a headband and cover my forehead, and I'll just concentrate the light on my cheeks. You can change the intensity level, you can change the time and the length of how long you use it for, and also you can change the color. So you can use the color, time, and strength of the light. Red is great for stimulating collagen production, and I feel like my skin just looks so plump and so radiant. So now, time for the makeup. I'm gonna switch back to the other mode. Secure the blur on the face. this just right here on the center. Okay, so next for the brows. So this is gonna be a quick makeup look, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and take my brow kiki. This is how I keep my brow pencils. I will also link this down below because it's like the best holder for everything. I have my new eyeliners, pencil liners, lip liners, and I can't flip over here. Fill in the brows really quick. You know what? A lot of people always look at the length of the tip, but sometimes you gotta look at the length of the middle. Sometimes I have to cheat it in the middle of my brows. Sometimes if your brows are too far apart, it can make your face look wide. I don't wanna look wide, so you kind of wanna cheat right here and bring your brows closer together. And then obviously it doesn't have to look perfect, you know, we're gonna put makeup in between there. I'm just gonna brush it up, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, the older I'm getting, you guys, I just want you guys to be confident in your skin no matter how much makeup you wear, whether that's like a little bit, even if it's just mascara or a full face of glam, as long as you're happy doing you. Because we just be conforming too much, conforming to trends and society and standards. Not here, do you be you. Oh, my eyes are still red. Sometimes you need to just take a deep breath, because sometimes when your eyes are red, it's probably from like stress or not drinking enough water. Just anything. It could show in your eyes and your skin, and you have to listen to your body because your body is telling you something. Drink more water or listen to me or get some sleep. I did not get some sleep. That's probably why my eyes are red. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. Okay. I had to wet my beauty blender. Next, BBB all over the face. I'm using the shade Medium Dark 1. Love this. I'm just taking this big fluffy brush. I'm just going in with it right here. So I just posted a natural makeup tutorial. This is gonna be like a more elevated version of that because I'm gonna add like a little bit of a wing and just make it like a little bit more presentable, because the other one is just like if I'm out the door to the grocery store literally, or just like the beach. This one is gonna be just like a little bit more like profesh if you just want to be out the door and work, because you guys know me, I know how to glam. I love glamming. This is just a little bit more an in-between natural and like done up. Like skin prep is literally it. Obsessed. My housekeeper just came in my room. Not yet, still here. So next I'm gonna take Medium Dark 2. I'm just gonna go under the eyes. This is the Butter Soap Concealer, by the way. Obsessed with this too. Oh my God, I went to Disney the other day. I don't know if you guys saw my Disney vlog. I don't know if that's gonna go up before this, but so many people were like, oh my God, I'm wearing your Butter Soap Concealer. And I was like, no way, that's just like so cute to me. Blend it in. Just gonna make sure that this blends in so beautifully. Already better. Already, dude. So my meeting with Sephora is tomorrow morning, and I'm like nervous. I haven't been with a team in like so long, and I'm gonna do another get ready with me tomorrow because I'm gonna be full glam for that one. So stay tuned for that video. You guys, I cannot be full glam every freaking day. That's why I kind of wanted to show you guys an in-between like a natural and like a full. And these Lashify lashes change the game because they're so easy and you can do them literally like so fast. And I feel like this kind of makeup makes me look like presentable. Like I would wear this, you know, to meet friends or meet professionals, and I would still feel confident because my skin is even. And I think when it comes to like your makeup, the first place to show like any signs of aging or unhealthiness is gonna be in your skin. So to even it out is like definitely a top goal of mine. Don't you hate it when your beauty blender catches an eye booger? It's the most disgusting thing ever. Okay, so now that the skin is giving this, I'm gonna take a little bit of Very That. It's our lightest of the blushes, but I wanted to try it today. Next, I'm taking Very That cream, applying that on the face. Look how pretty this looks. So freaking like bright and rosy. It's like a dusty rose color. I'm just gonna put it on the forehead, the nose, just right here on the face. Next, I am going to set with the Ultimate Setting Powder. Kind of like almost the full face of one size. It's crazy because I've been in denial like, oh my God, I will never have a brand where I can do a full face. Not now, not yet. But yet here we are. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, stamp it. Stamp under the eyes to set right away, just like so. And I think what makes the difference between like this kind of makeup and the full coverage and the natural is literally the amount of product I'm using and the amount of powders that I'm using. And for this type of look, I like only setting like the center of my face. You guys need these robes. Look, I love them so much, there's holes in them. I literally get in trouble all the time because I'm like, they're like, just get new ones. I'm like, no, I love my ratty tatty clothes. Am I the only one that loves the ratty tatty clothes and products that look like this that literally have nothing? You know what, a trick I like to do? I like to take my powder and damage it because, you know, like sometimes it's hard to get that. And look, I made this into like pretty much like a loose powder. I'm just gonna buff this in to the face. Like you can still see my freckles in here. Try not to be too crazy like above because sometimes the powder can fall onto your lashes and that's what we call dusty lashes and that's not cute. But are you guys missing me? Oh, I want you guys to comment down below, when did you guys first start watching my videos? Because I would like to know. That is some tea because y'all been here for a very long time. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is a safe space. But comment down below because some of you have been with me for years. Some are just new. Some from TikTok, shorts. So what's gonna take this look to the next level is the blush placement. Sometimes if you keep it on the cheeks, it makes it more daytime. If you put it like more towards like the outside, kind of gives it nighttime. So I'm gonna mix the two so I can like smile. If you're more of a smiley person, put your blush on like your apples. If you're like more like a posy resting bitch face kind of girl, put it towards the back because you're not gonna smile anyways. It'll just make your face look more droopy. So I'm gonna put some more on the apple. It makes you look happier. See? If you want to be more like Kylie Kim, put it like under the eye. Like for my meeting tomorrow, I kind of want to look serious and corporate, so I'm gonna do that. You know, for this look, I'm only gonna contour my nose and my forehead. But I only have medium. I didn't bring okay. Nose brush. Right here, I'm holding it. Silly girl. A ghost. There's a ghost back there. Baby came in. I was like, I'm filming. Well, sorry, my housekeeper came in. You know what that sound from Snatch Game? I own 51% of this company.
Correction. I own 51% of the flag factory.
I should do that at the Sephora meeting tomorrow. Would that be so funny in front of them? Like, hi, and they're all sitting. Yeah. And I slam the table.
Don't fuck with me, fellas!
Oh, I should do that in front of Sephora. Don't fuck with me, fellas! Sephora watching this, get ready with me like... Guys, this brown literally is so freaking pretty. I might do black. Let me do black. Just gonna do this little Hailey Bieber wing. See, look how tiny and cute it is. See guys, this glam is so easy. I went for like a little bit of a darker lip just because I'm trying to give boss vibes today. We're gonna have a fun team dinner with one size and I hope you guys play with your makeup. Like maybe mix some of your colors for like nighttime, which would be like my contacts and my liner, with like your daytime base. I feel like that kind of like finds a happy medium because my base is way lighter than what I would normally do, believe it or not. But then my features are more nighttime. Or do the opposite. If you wanna go for something more full coverage for your face, more natural, that works too. So to seal the deal, I'm gonna preserve the serve just to make it more glowy. And then once that's set in, kind of like mixing the sprays, I'm gonna take the very famous On Till Dawn waterproof setting spray and only spray the outside of my face so I'm not sweating. Just on my forehead, the outside of my cheeks, and then my sweaty neck. So that way the luminosity stays in the middle of my face. I'm gonna change and I'll show you guys the finished look. This outfit today is giving mom, brought to you by Macy's on the top and Old Navy for the bottom. Oh, and the fragrance today, guys, I've been smelling like fresh. This is Define Me Kahana. Kahana Montrese! Look at the drag queen laughing over here. Kahana! Kahana, I'm wearing your fragrance, girl! Kahana Montrese! Define Kahana Montrese Aquamarine. Now for that extra glow, I'm gonna take the Very That. I'm Very That today. The Very That cream, Very That powder. And then I'm gonna take Ova right here, which is this beautiful blush like shimmer. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And just apply it on the high points of my face. So all over the face. You saw in one of the videos on the docu, why was my tool so big in the first meeting and then it was so flat in the interview?
And it looked like almost like a bow.
Guys, I literally filmed a documentary that you guys are gonna be so excited for. But it's the same tool, but you know, tool is like very rough and structured, girl. Why it deflate on me? throughout the documentary, right? It's like using old drag pads, right? Your pads was giving and then it just got so tired of your ass, it just gave up. That was my turban, right, Jose? Your padding? Ain't that right? You know what, guys? I'm gonna kiss my lashes with some Fantasize just to kind of give it a little extra oomph because this liner was a little lining too much. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Try elevating your makeup. Stay tuned for the full glam one, which will be out soon. Watch my Disney vlog if you guys haven't already. Watch the supernatural one that took me like, this probably took me like 15-20 minutes in total to do everything without all the changing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. Everything is linked down below. I love you so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.